This is my unboxing and reaction to the Herschel duffel bag. I just got this off Amazon and my gosh, does it look amazing. First off, the size. I mean, I chose the larger size. However, was still expecting them to cheap me out and make it smaller than I expected. However, this is pretty substantial. So let me lay it down and, just back up a bit to give you some comparisons. So you can kind of see the wall outlet there for scale. And then this headset here. This is about a headset that's about 5 inches from that end to that end. So you can see this is pretty substantially sized. Now I bought this because I wanted some type of weekender bag without really having to pay an excessive amount. And this really does the trick. Plus it's a very reputable brand. A lot of people in the apparel world know this brand for many types of bags and related things like backpacks, hats, wallets. So I've had a lot of great experiences with this brand and will continue to use them. Now I got the black and brown color. Looking at it, I think, I probably would have, now that I see it, I may have gotten the navy and brown instead, but yeah, this one's still really good. It's the kind of like elegant design I wanted and colors I wanted. Now, obviously, it's not going to be as good as a actual brown leather weekender. This is, fairly thin material, and I think it's plastic or nylon or something. But I mean, I think it's pretty solid for what I care about. I mean, I'm not going to be putting anything expensive in here, but I'm not going to be putting anything smelly in here either. Now let's take a look inside. I mean, not much to see inside, just this red-white design. So one thing about Herschel is that they do tend to go for a more kind of like casual-ish design. I mean, you can still get somewhat elegant, but a lot of their color schemes and designs are more for the kind of everyday person. So I'm sure you can get this in camo or something like that, polka dots. I prefer more of the elegant design. We're talking brown, coffee, leather type of color. But this is the closest color scheme I could get. So I think the red, white inside, it's not bad, I would say. And then of course, probably the most important feature is the zipper. Is it a solid zipper, or is this one that's going to break after a few wears like anything from H&M? Now, first impressions, this is plastic and this is just like a white strip. But you can, like, the worst zippers I've seen are from H&M, and I can tell off the bat that this one's, it's a little hard to open and close with just one hand. So I'll go ahead and put my camera here, grab it with one hand and pull. Yeah, okay, so it is kind of tough to pull and zip up. I wouldn't say it's a terrible zipper, but it's probably not the most elegant compared to something like a Lululemon zipper or something more high-end. But I mean, I think it gets the job done. I don't think it will catch or break anytime soon, but it's probably like middle of the line type of zipper. But that's really important because this is really what you're going to be using the most. Let me just try and unzip it up. Give me a second to put the camera down. Yeah, so it takes a little bit of force, and I need to hold it with this other hand, but it gets the job done. And then inside you get a little strap here. Ooh, that's pretty cool. And this one's already attached on one end, just in case you want to strap it to your shoulder rather than carry it. And this material here, obviously it's not real leather, you can feel it, but it has that like smooth faux leather feel. Now the final thing I want to mention is a little surprise I got, which is it does come with a warranty, a lifetime limited warranty. I was not expecting that for the price. I mean, this depending on when you buy this is going to cost anywhere between 60 to 80 bucks. And for such a affordable price, I did not expect a warranty. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to check the details on that and the fine print. It could just be a very limited warranty with exceptions, but nonetheless, here are the specs on it. Let me focus in on that. So that's, I mean, you could get this online, but 42 liters of space. And then those, it's about 20 inches wide, 11 inches high, and 11 inches of depth. So that's about it. I mean, not much else to mention. Here's the bottom. It's just a nice leather back, black Weekender. So I am very impressed with it so far. And I feel like it's probably the best option on the market under $100. Frankly, I think I needed one of these. I've been waiting for years, and I am kind of sick of just carrying plastic bags or other types of bags around that look kind of skeevy or cheap. I don't know what the right word is. And this is just a bit more elegant. So it's great for travel, and yeah, just fantastic.